Hello, everyone. This is Tracy, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts. I received this package a few days ago, and it is from Patty's Southern Kitchen. So I'm struggling here with the scissors, trying to get it open. It's a pretty pink package because you know I want to repurpose this and reuse it. I won this on her channel a couple weeks ago. So again, here I am being too careful and too particular trying to open the package when I should have just ripped it open. But you know, I'm always trying to save something. Wow. Be patient with me. I almost got it. It's coming. It's coming. Here we go. Whoa. So as I get this tissue paper off, I open it up, and the first thing that comes is this beautiful yellow and brown bead necklace. Now, I did not win that on her channel. I did not win that. This is an extra gift that she included in this package. Now, how sweet was that? How kind was that? So I actually get two prizes here. And it comes with a small pair of earrings. I love the necklace, and I will probably add something to those earrings to make them a little larger, because I'm a big earring girl. Now here is what I have won from her. This is what I saw on her channel, and it's large red beads with smaller brown beads. And then it also has a small pair of earrings that I will probably be adding to and maybe doing some wire wrap on these beads. I'm not sure yet, but I love them. And thank you so very kindly. Thank you so much, Patty. Much appreciated.